Hey there, ever felt like you're juggling a million things in your business? And the thought of one more task, like figuring out who owes you what and chasing payments, just sends a shiver down your spine? You're not alone. For many service-based businesses, especially those leveraging scheduling tools like Acuity scheduling, the question of billing often pops up. Does Acuity actually handle the nitty-gritty of getting paid? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the generic introductions. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter because your time is valuable, and understanding how your scheduling platform fits into your financial workflow is crucial. Now, Acuity scheduling is a powerhouse when it comes to managing your appointments, classes, and workshops. It lets clients book themselves, sends automated reminders, a lifesaver, right? And helps you keep your calendar organized like a well-oiled machine. But when we talk about billing, we're often thinking about the entire process of invoicing, processing payments, and keeping track of your financial transactions. So, where does Acuity fit into this picture? The short answer, and perhaps not the one you were hoping for if you were looking for an all-in-one solution, is that Acuity scheduling itself does not function as a full-fledged billing software in the traditional sense. It doesn't generate detailed invoices with line items for services rendered after the fact, track outstanding balances, or send automated payment reminders for past due appointments directly. However, that's not the whole story. Acuity is incredibly smart and integrates seamlessly with powerful payment processors. Think of these processors as the financial engines that Acuity plugs into to handle the crucial step of collecting payments. So, while Acuity doesn't do billing in the comprehensive accounting software way, it absolutely plays a vital role in the payment process, especially at the time of booking. Let's break down how Acuity handles the money side of things. 1. Payment integration at booking. This is where Acuity shines. You can connect your Acuity account to popular payment gateways like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. This integration allows you to require clients to pay for your services upfront when they book an appointment. This is a game changer for reducing no-shows and ensuring you get paid for your time. Think about it. Instead of chasing clients after the fact, the payment is secured right when they commit to the appointment. Acuity acts as the intermediary, securely passing the payment information to your chosen processor. 2. Setting up payment requirements. Acuity gives you a lot of flexibility in how you handle payments at booking. You can require full payment. Clients pay the entire service fee when they book. Require a deposit. Clients pay a portion of the fee to secure their spot, with the remaining balance potentially due later, though Acuity doesn't automatically manage this remaining balance collection. Offer free appointments, for consultations or introductory offers. Offer payment plans through integrated processors. Some payment processors integrated with Acuity might offer options for payment plans, but this is managed by the processor, not directly by Acuity. 3. Managing transactions. Within your Acuity dashboard, you can typically see records of payments processed through your integrated payment gateway. This allows you to track which appointments have been paid for. However, this isn't a detailed financial ledger. It's more of a record of successful transactions linked to specific appointments. 4. Invoicing, with a caveat. While Acuity doesn't generate formal invoices in the way accounting software does, you can sometimes use the appointment details and payment confirmations as a form of record. However, these lack the detailed line items, tax breakdowns, and professional formatting you'd expect from a dedicated invoicing system. So, if Acuity doesn't do billing in the full sense, what are its limitations and how can you bridge the gap? Limitations of Acuity's payment features. No automated post-service invoicing. Acuity doesn't automatically generate and send invoices after a service has been completed, especially for outstanding balances or additional charges incurred during the appointment. Limited accounts receivable management. It doesn't track who owes you money beyond the initial booking payment. You won't find features for sending reminders for past due amounts or generating aging reports. Basic transaction records. While you can see payment confirmations, Acuity doesn't offer the robust reporting and categorization features of dedicated accounting software. No direct handling of partial payments after booking. If a client pays a deposit and you need to collect the remaining balance later, Acuity doesn't have a built-in system to manage this process automatically. You'd likely need to handle this manually through your payment processor or a separate invoicing system. Bridging the gap. Integrating with other tools. This is where the power of integration comes in. To handle the full spectrum of your billing needs, you'll likely want to connect Acuity with other software. Accounting software, e.g., QuickBooks, Xero. Integrating Acuity with accounting software allows you to sync your sales data, track income, manage expenses, and generate professional invoices. Many accounting platforms offer direct integrations with Acuity or can be connected through third-party automation tools like Zapier. This allows you to automatically create invoices in your accounting software whenever a paid appointment is booked in Acuity. Dedicated invoicing software, e.g., Zoho Invoice, FreshBooks. If your primary need is professional invoicing and managing accounts receivable, integrating with dedicated invoicing software can be a great solution. You can often set up workflows to automatically create invoices based on completed appointments in Acuity. Customer relationship management, CRM, systems, e.g., HubSpot, Pipedrive. While not directly for billing, a CRM can help you manage client interactions and track service history, which can be useful for generating invoices if your CRM has invoicing capabilities or integrates with invoicing software. Automation platforms, e.g. Zapier, Integromat / make these platforms act as bridges between different apps. You can create automated workflows, zaps, or scenarios to trigger actions based on events in Acuity. For example, you could set up an automation to automatically create an invoice in your invoicing software whenever a new paid appointment is booked in Acuity or when an appointment status is marked as completed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.